2025 Honda Fury, the ultimate factory chopper. Introduction. The 2025 Honda Fury is back, redefining what a factory chopper should be. With its long, low stance, raked-out front end, and aggressive styling, the Fury embodies the rebellious spirit of custom motorcycles. Unlike many other choppers, this one offers Honda's signature reliability, smooth performance, and modern technology. In this article, we'll explore what makes the 2025 Honda Fury a standout in the cruiser world. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Fury maintains its iconic custom chopper look, featuring a stretched 71.2-inch wheelbase and an aggressive raked front fork. The low-slung solo seat and teardrop fuel tank add to its custom-built appearance. Honda offers fresh color options in matte and metallic finishes, making sure the bike turns heads wherever it goes. The wide 200mm rear tire adds to the bold stance, while the 21-inch front wheel gives it that classic chopper proportion. A minimalistic fender design and blackout accents give the Fury a modern yet timeless feel. The custom styling is further enhanced by its sleek LED lighting, providing a premium touch without losing its raw attitude. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Honda Fury is a 1,312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering strong torque and smooth power delivery. The shaft drive ensures low maintenance and a hassle-free riding experience. Unlike traditional choppers that might feel rough or unrefined, the Fury's engine is known for its silky smooth performance, thanks to Honda's engineering precision. The fuel-injected engine provides a crisp throttle response, making highway cruising effortless while still offering enough punch for city rides. The 5-speed transmission and low-end torque ensure smooth acceleration, whether you're rolling through town or hitting the open road. Ride and comfort. Despite its aggressive styling, the Fury is surprisingly comfortable. The low 26.9-inch seat height allows for an easy reach to the ground, making it accessible for most riders. The forward-mounted foot controls and wide handlebars provide a relaxed riding position, ideal for long cruises. The 41mm front fork with 4 inches of travel and a hidden single-shock rear suspension keep the ride smooth without sacrificing the rigid chopper look. Unlike many custom-built choppers, the Fury balances style and practicality with comfortable ergonomics. Technology and features. Honda integrates modern technology into the Fury while keeping it simple. The LED headlight, turn signals, and taillight enhance visibility and style. A single digital analog instrument cluster displays essential information while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. While Honda keeps the Fury's electronics minimal for a raw riding experience, it does include ABS as an option for enhanced safety. The shaft drive system eliminates chain maintenance, making it an easygoing ride for daily cruising. Pricing and availability. Honda continues to offer the Fury at an affordable price point compared to custom-built choppers. The 2025 Honda Fury is expected to be priced around $11,999 estimated, and will be available in dealerships worldwide. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Fury is for riders who crave custom styling without the high maintenance of a hand-built chopper. With Honda's reliability, smooth V-twin power, and aggressive looks, it stands as one of the most accessible factory choppers on the market. Whether you're a new rider looking for a stylish cruiser or a seasoned biker wanting an easy-to-own custom ride, the Fury delivers in style, comfort, and performance. Would you ride the 2025 Honda Fury? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Would you like any modifications or additions to this article?